you guys for the intro.
Yo, it's Love Got King.
It was cool. Yeah, why? I'm really bad.
Guess it's about Tina.
Yeah,
She couldn't joke.
do you cranky?
Mom,
Are you telling the truth? Huh? Oh, what happened?
should I fight with her?
Are you telling the truth? Or you
Yeah,
lie?
honest.
Let me see I'm really lying.
With the someone you're in a car.
Is it? Are
I don't know.
you telling the truth or are you lying?
No, I'm telling the truth.
Dad is here.
Oh, what happened? No, so Tina. Sorry. Tina. You're lying.
No, honest.
Tina, what happened? What happened?
It didn't drove me.
Are you telling the truth?
No, because this girl always talk about me.
Yeah. Then what happened?
And then I went up to her.
Yeah. This happened today.
Mm.
I never see something really money.
And my teacher said she's going to call me.
Are you telling the truth?
Yeah.
Because of my bullshit. So are you trying to be my temptation right now? Nah, seriously, are you telling the truth? Lying. Are you for real? What happened?
Now she's like talking to me in class. Like,
Yeah.
I came in class.
Yeah.
She was like, because she's supposed to talk back to the teacher, and I said, oh, you guys shut up. The teacher's talking.
Yeah.
And she got up and she's like, no, you shut up. I have no question in my kid. I'm hungry for her.
Ui. Nên các con mới lắm cô. No, we did not talk about loving. Asking.
My teacher says she's gonna.
Today, you should tell her that you call you ex at home. She said the truth then. No one called me. Seriously, no one called me. Did they say they're gonna call me or?
Yeah.
So she really had a fight.
Yeah.
How fake.
Yeah, Mom.
So why Tina? Why did you do that?
Because
I know what you're doing is right. You stood up for the teacher, but you have to say, you have to persevere. Remember we spoke about love. You're a Christian. You're supposed to show example, role model. Adesso un po' cole di usare. Huh? So you to just have a full-on fight? Yeah. Oh, what are you? What time did this happen?
last period.
Yeah.
She's like, yeah, I didn't see anything in the my teacher something.
Are you telling the truth? So I feel like keep your pin on this. You telling the truth, babe? What? Tina, what are we talking about? She was serious. She looked serious. So I was trying to look out if she's gonna laugh. But no.
I was really laughing. I turned my eyes to the.
I got punk, guys.
She was like, do you know what makes me laugh? She was like, are you for real? Pranking their mom.
Oh my god.